EAS 447.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Delaware County, Northern Henry County, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Alexandria to 9 miles southeast of Anderson, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Muncie, Anderson, Alexandria, Yorktown, Chesterfield, Albany, Eaton, Daleville, Parker City, Selma, Sulphur Springs, Merlin, Mount Summit, Lissettville, Modoc, Springport, Blounsville, Summit Lake State Park, Ball State University, and Prairie Creek Reservoir. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 228 and 245. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Delaware, Henry, Madison, and Randolph.